So let's jump right into the market outlook. So, I mean, we got a big bounce back today in the market. The S&P closed up about 1%. We began to see the pullback start to come in as the last 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, the market was weak. We began to pull in a little bit. You know, it seems like at this point everyone's waiting for a pullback. You know, it's no secret we're at the top end of this range in this SPY uptrend. And you know, this is what the market does. When everyone wants a pullback, what's it do? It doesn't let anyone in, and it continues to up move. So that's kind of what we saw today. I'm still not like 100% risk on or anything like that. Definitely still waiting for better opportunities. And this is the time where it's like, you know, we've learned over the years is the time to not really push it as, you know, the couple weeks leading up to the thick of earnings season, where most stocks are just waiting around for earnings reports to really make a move, and otherwise they're mostly just moving with the market at this point. So right now I'm still, you know, still very selective, still keeping the risk pretty tight. But I mean, the market closed strong today, and you know, it looks like we could have some follow through tomorrow with today's strong action. So on a short-term basis, still looks pretty good, but I'm definitely not, you know, gung-ho, balls to the walls at risk. What are you thinking over there, Bennett?
Yeah, same thing. I think the main thing is to the downside of below 410 on the SPY. Definitely could be a time to take some risk off the table. And we're in that very tight range. It's like all-time highs is 418. The really tight pivot low is 410. So, you know, as long as we stay above 410, we're good. Below it, you know, time to free up some cash.